We are the Gujarat Technological University. Since its inception over a decade ago, GTU has been empowering young and curating minds to realize their true potential. Over 4 lakh inspired students are enrolled with one of the premier academic universities in India. With more than 450 affiliated colleges in its fold operating across 5 zones of the state, GTU, the International Innovative University, your place to move forward.
हेलो फ्रेंड्स, वेलकम। आज हम इस वीडियो में पेज रिप्लेसमेंट एल्गोरिथम के बारे में डिस्कस करेंगे। तो फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल, what is the replacement policy? Replacement policy which deals with the selection of a page in a main memory to be replaced when a new page must be brought in. Okay. So here we discuss about page replacement algorithm. The page replacement algorithm, when a page fault occurs, the operating system has to choose the page to remove from memory to make a room for the page that has to be brought in. The page replacement is done by swapping the required page from backup storage to main memory and vice versa. The page replacement algorithm decides which memory page is to be replaced. A page replacement algorithm is evaluated by running the particular algorithm on a string of memory reference and compute the page fault. First, we discuss about replacement technique. How replacement technique is done. First step is find the location of the desired page on the disk. Okay, पहले हम location find करेंगे. Then find a free frame. We check that frame is free or not. If it is free, then use that frame. If it is not free, then we use replacement algorithm to select a victim frame. Then after, write the victim frame to disk, change the frame and page tables accordingly. Next step is read the desired page into the newly free frame, change the page and frame tables, and restart the user process. Now, page replacement algorithm. Following are the basic types of page replacement algorithm. First one is first in, first out. Second is least recently used. Third is optimal page replacement. Fourth is clock page replacement. First, we discuss about first in, first out. It is the oldest page. The oldest page in the physical memory is the one selected for replacement. This method is very simple to implement. It makes a list. On a page trail, the page at the head is removed and the new page added to the tail of the list. Reference string is a sequence of pages being referenced. Page fault is not an error. Here we see the example of FIFO. Consider the following reference string, that is 0, 2, 1, 6, 4, 0, 1, 0, 3, 1, 2, 1. We have a frame size is 4. So initially this frame is empty. So we easily inputted first 4 string from the reference string 0, 2, 1, 6. Now fifth request is value of 4. So at the which place we need to put the 4. So here we use the FIFO algorithm. So we first inputted the 0. So at the place of 0 we put the 4. Now next request is 1. Okay. So here we analyze the page frame. 1 is already available. So not need to replace the page. After that request of 0. So there is the analyze the page frame. 0 is not available and frame is not free. So we need to replace the page. So now which page we need to replace? We need to replace the page reference string 2. At the place of 2 we put the 0. Now next request is 3. So here we again analyze this page frame 4016. So at the which place we put the 3? The first inputted value is 1. So at the place of 1 we put the 3. again 1. So here at the place of 6 we put the 1 because 6 is first included in this particular page view. Next request is 1. So there is the 1 is already available, so no need to replace the page. Now here we find the page fault. How many page fault occur? So at the time of replacing a page, or if there is a no page free frame, so at that time we need to replace a page, that is the page fault. So here total 9 page faults occur, and if we not need to replace the page, there is the 4 times 1, 2, 3. 3 times we are not replace the page. So this is the page heat. So now we calculate the fault rate. So fault rate equal to number of page fault divided by total number of reference. So here number of page fault is 9 and reference string is 12. So we get the 0.75. So now if we want to calculate the fault ratio, so here we use the number of page fault divided by number of reference string multiply 100. So we get the 70. Now, advantage of FIFO, it is easy to implement, but disadvantage is it suffers from Baldi anomaly. So here, what is the Baldi anomaly? Baldi anomaly is the name given to the phenomenon where increasing the number of page frame results in an increase in the number of page fault for a given memory access pattern. It means if number of page frame is increased, results is increased. Next one is least recently used. In this algorithm, the page that has not been used for longest period of time is selected for replacement. मतलब हम उस पेज को रिप्लेस करेंगे जो पास्ट में सबसे पहले यूज किया था. It swaps the page that has been used the least over a period of time, and it is free from Baldi anomaly. Now same example here we take. Okay. Now first 4 it is clear. Now request of 4. So 4 we replace with 0. Okay. Next is 0. So at the place of 2 we put the 0. Now request of 1. The 1 is already available. 0 is already available. Next request is 3. So first we analyze the 4016. 3 is not available. So we need to replace. And frame is also not free. So at the place of 6 जो पास्ट में सबसे पहले यूज हो गया है तो उसके जगह पे हम क्या रखेंगे 3. आफ्टर दैट रिक्वेस्ट ऑफ 1. 1 is already available, so no need to replace the page. Next request is 2. So now at the play first we analyze what 4013. 2 is not available and 4 at the place of 4. So 4 is least recently used, बहुत पहले यूज हुआ है तो उसकी जगह पे हम क्या रखेंगे 2. मतलब क्या है 4 कहाँ पे ये इनपुट हुआ था 0 पे. 0 अभी इनपुट हुआ है. 1 भी अभी हुआ है तो 3 भी अभी हुआ है तो कहाँ पे रखेंगे 4 की जगह पे 2 आएगा. 2 के बाद रिक्वेस्ट कौन सी है 1. तो 1 is already available, no need to replace the page. So here page fault is 8. So 8 divided by total reference string 12. Okay. Fault rate is 0.67 and fault ratio is number of fault page fault divided by total number of references multiply 100. So 8 divided by 12 multiply 100. Next, what is the advantage of least recently? Advantage is it does not suffer from Baldi anomaly, but disadvantage is what it requires expensive hardware support or additional data structure to implement. Next is optimal page replacement algorithm. This algorithm states that replace the page which will not be used for longest period of time. That is, future knowledge of reference string is required. मतलब क्या हम उस पेज को रिप्लेस करेंगे जिसकी डिमांड फ्यूचर में सबसे लेटर होगी, मतलब पीछे होने वाली है, तो उस पेज को हम रिप्लेस करेंगे. एलआरयू में हमने क्या देखा जिसकी ऑलरेडी डिमांड खत्म हो गई जो बहुत पहले यूज हुआ है उसको हमने रिप्लेस किया था. इसमें हम क्या करेंगे फ्यूचर रेफरेंस को देखेंगे. तो इट्स रिक्वायर्ड नॉलेज ऑफ फ्यूचर reference string. Okay. Now example of same example here we also take. First 4 is clear. Now request of 4. Okay. So at which place we put the 4 here? So we first analyze the page frame. 0 0 अभी यूज होने वाला है. 2 बहुत लास्ट में यूज होने वाला है. 1 भी 2 के बाद यूज होने वाला है. 6 की तो आगे कुछ रिक्वायरमेंट ही नहीं है, तो हम क्या करेंगे 6 की जगह पे 4 को रिप्लेस कर देंगे. तो रेफरेंस स्ट्रिंग क्या हो जाएगी 0 2 1 4. नाउ रिक्वेस्ट ऑफ 0, तो 0 is already available. Request of 1 is already available. Request of 0 is already available. Now request of 3. So here we analyze 0 2 1 4. So 3 is not available and page frames is full, no free frame. So we need to replace. So first we analyze 0. तो 0 की जरूरत है, बाद में नहीं है. 2 की रिक्वेस्ट आने वाली है. 1 is also required. 4 की भी नहीं, तो यहाँ पे 0 और 4 दोनों है. तो हम कौन सी जगह पे रखेंगे? 0 की जगह पे 3 रख देंगे. तो 3 2 1 4. नाउ नेक्स्ट रिक्वेस्ट इज 1, तो 1 इज ऑलरेडी अवेलेबल. नेक्स्ट रिक्वेस्ट इज 2 इज ऑलरेडी अवेलेबल. 1 is already available. So here page fault is what? 6. So fault rate is number of page fault divided by reference string. 6 divided by 12, 0.15. Now we find the fault ratio. So 6 divided by 12 multiply 100. Now if we want to find the heat ratio, तो heat total number of heat कितने हुए हैं? 1 2 3 4 5 6. टोटल heat कितने हैं? 6 है. तो 6 divided by 12 multiply 100. Okay. 1 2 3 4 5 6. Now advantage of optimal page replacement. Complexity is less and easy to implement. Data structure used are easy and light. Now disadvantage is what? It is perfect, but not possible in practice as the operating system cannot know the future request. अगर फ्यूचर में कौन सी रेफरेंस स्ट्रिंग की रिक्वेस्ट है वो नहीं पता है, तो हम उस सिचुएशन में ऑप्टिमल पेज रिप्लेसमेंट यूज नहीं कर सकते. एरर हैंडलिंग इज वेरी टफ. Now clock page replacement algorithm. It keeps all the page name on a circular list in the form of a clock. As shown in figure, A hand points to the oldest page. A के पास A have the hand points. So when a page fault occurs, the page the hand is pointing to is inspected. Now here when page fault occurs, the page being pointed to by the hand is inspected. If its R bit is 0, it means R equal to 0, the page is arrested, the new page is inserted into the clock in its place and the hand is advanced the one opposition. If R is 1, it is cleared and the hand is advanced to the next page. This process is repeated until a page found with the R equal to 0. Thank you.